Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a beautiful headscarf stroke gele tutorial. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Lizzie. You're welcome to my channel. So the first thing that I did was to fold the edges of the gele to ensure that the gele looks very neat at the front, just so that it's not rough at the front. So the first thing you do once you hold a fabric or your headscarf is to fold the edge of the headscarf or the gele. So once I was done, I made about 4 pleats. So I'm going to tie this on myself, and it's a bit tricky, but it's not difficult. So I placed the 4 pleats of the fabric that I've made on the fabric on my head like this, and then once that was done, I basically just traced the pleats down towards my neck area for the right hand side and also for the left hand side. Now if you're a beginner at this, I'm not gonna lie, it can be really difficult, especially with your hands. Your hands are going to ache, but once you continue practicing, you're going to get used to it, and your hands will become more flexible. So once I was done arranging the pleats, I took one part of the fabric behind my ear like this, and then brought the other part of the fabric forward. Just make sure that once you're doing this, you are arranging everything just so that it looks good, because if you are going to make any mistake from the base, is definitely going to affect the front of the gele or whatever you're going to do at the front. So I had to arrange my hair properly, even though I was not really seeing my back. And then once I brought the fabric to the front like this, I arranged the pleats properly, and then I twisted the hand that I was not going to use at the moment, and then placed it underneath my arms. And then I just basically brought the other part of the gele to the front and continued tracing my 4 pleats. So this is actually the essence of you tracing your pleats. If you trace your pleats properly, once you bring your gele to the front, the pleats would just be there. You just have to just continue tracing the pleats. It's not going to be difficult for you to get your pleats, but if you don't trace your pleats properly, it's going to be quite hard. So once I brought the gele to the front, I traced my pleats, and they were still 4 pleats. So once I was done tracing my pleats, I held the 4th pleat, which was the last pleat, and then I just brought it to the front and then pinned everything properly. So if you're going to hold the essence of you holding the last pleat is just to secure the first 3 pleats that you've already made. I just hope that that is understood. So once I was done pinning, I brought the other hand of the fabric to the front like this, and just there tracing pleats. So all I'm doing today is an unconventional gele. This is not the regular round pleats, fan and all of that. This is an unconventional gele, and trust me, right now this is actually what is trending. Like, people do not really love to go for the norm right now. They prefer something that is really out of the ordinary, something that it's not really seen, something that if you go for an occasion you will not just see on every other person, unlike the round and all of that. So I'm just basically tying an unconventional gele. I'm just going with the flow. So all I did next was to fold my gele at the front like this. I just made about 2 knots. So while you're doing this, make sure that the geles are secure and firm on your head, like as much as possible. Just make sure that everything is tight, not too tight though, just make sure that it's secure on your head. So once I was done making my 2nd knot, I just started arranging the gele just so that it looks good on my head, and I kept on arranging until I was comfortable with what I had. Just make sure that it actually fits your face, the frame of your face, and just make sure that it looks good. So that was what I was doing at this point. So once I was done arranging my fabric, I had these two parts of my fabric left, and I decided to form a leaf-like formation at the top of my head right there. So I was just basically going with the flow and arranging everything properly, just so that it looks good and so that it looks different. So pin properly so that when you're dancing, your scarf or your gele does not fall from your head. So guys, once you're done arranging your gele and everything looks good, that means you're ready to rock your gele and attend your party. So this is what the back of my gele looks like. I actually do love it like this. So all I did was just to fold in the gele at the back a little bit, just arranged it, but you could actually leave it the way that you just saw it because it actually looks neat at the back. So this is it. I just folded the fabric in a little bit, although I can't see my back, but I folded everything in a little bit, and this was basically what it looked like. I didn't know that I'd left some strands of my hair in between my pleats that I had already made, but it still looked good though. So guys, this is just about the end of this tutorial. I do hope that you've learned something. You could actually just pull this style off for an event and you'll be the talk of the event, you'll be the talk of the show for that particular day. So you can tie this for yourself. It's easy peasy, it's totally not difficult at all if you follow all the processes that I have shown you today. So this is just me arranging everything properly so that it looks good. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I do hope that it was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share, and don't forget to turn on your notification button so that each time I post you get a notification and you'll be the first to know. I would also link some of my previous gele tutorials, makeup tutorials to this particular one. I do actually have the makeup tutorial for this particular makeup that I have on right here today, so I'm going to link it up to this one just in case someone out there wants to learn how to do her makeup. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.